Hi, I'm Sean with Quest, and I would like to welcome you to the Active Administrator How to Create an Active Directory Health Test from the Web Console. You can launch the Web Console from the Active Admin console. Enter a username and password with AA admin rights. I'm going to go over creating an Active Directory Health Check. So let's go up to Monitor, Active Directory Health Check. I'm going to create a new one. Enter a name for it, and if you have a template you want to use, you can. I'm creating a new one, and I'm going to use the default credentials. First is a list of force tests. Each test has an operator and a threshold. You can set this for all the AD health tests. All the defaults that are set we recommend, but they can be changed to suit different environments. This screen allows you to select which domains you want to run tests on. As you can see, I only have one. If you have multiple, you can filter at the top. Next is the domain tests. There's a larger list of domain tests that can be run, and it has the same type of operators and thresholds you can set. I only have one DC, so I'm going to run it against that. If you had multiple, you could filter, as like before. There's a lot of different domain controller tests. As you can see at the top, you can perform tests against performance counters, Windows services, and even replication latency. Select the sites you want to perform the tests on, and here's the list of tests that you can perform on the sites. Now for the health check option. First, it's the trending option. It collects data points for each test selected over the number of hours you specify. The snapshot option collects a single data point for each selected test. Then you have the option if you want to run this test now or schedule it for another time. And the last option allows you to schedule what days you want it to run and at what time. Here allows you to save all the selective AD objects and test settings to a template. As you remember, you could select a template at the first of this wizard. And last is the summary screen. If you wish, you can check over all the test settings, and when you finish, the health check will begin as we selected it to run now. On the right hand side, you can see the current running health checks. Just the one we created is initializing, and now it's running. The screen gives you some statistics like status, pass rate, when it started, time left, running time, CPU, and memory usage. There's also some additional health check settings. There is the grading score on the health check in percentages, the FSMO placement test settings, and it shows you the health check templates. Here you can delete unwanted health checks. And that concludes this video demonstration. From all of us here at Quest, we thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and there'll be many more to come. To learn more about Active Administrator, visit us online.